You ready?
Yeah. Hesitant and
Go get it, Zorro.
get the ball. Get the ball. Grab. Little snag. I love how he climbs out again. He looks like he's struggling so hard. Give on, there you go. And shake it off. Try to get Sanji's attention. Sanji, come here, buddy.
You ready? You ready?
Oh,
You want
goodness.
it? You want it?
It's got to run water everywhere. There you go. That corgi jump. Although he almost speared himself, but okay. Little snag action. All right, Sanji, come on. He looks so like he's focusing so hard. Face. So I was like, I'll take that. Give it here. I'll help you out.
Oh, you tired, bud? Yeah.
I love how they stop and they think about it. He's like, can you come to me? A little closer, Mr. Ball. If he gets up again, I'm going to kick him in. Get in there. He's just going to go for it. It's like, time for me to get a new family. Oh, he doesn't look happy at all. Oh, the baby.
Come here, buddy. Come here.
Shake it all off. There you go. Well, Sanji's found a new family over there.
Don't push him.
I'm not. A little butt hair going everywhere whenever he shakes.